Hello everybody, I'm back with the Ollie's haul, and this time I think I hit the jackpot on the craft items, y'all. But this time I found a mixed media paper pad. I bought 3 because I think they were $1.99. You couldn't beat this. Because like I said, usually I found stickers and stuff like that. I would find some good coloring books, but I wasn't finding the good craft items. Wow, that was real pretty. Wasn't finding the craft items, so that but wow, I was real excited to find that. Here's another thing. Why didn't I pick up more than one of this lemon yellow burlap? Why? $1.99. Why? I picked up this sketchbook, and it comes with the gel pens. This is just great. And stickers. I was real excited to find that. Oh, my craft decorative edge scissors getting dull. I was so excited to find this, especially the scalloped edge one. And that's by EK Tools. I wonder if a craft store was liquidating, or somewhere was liquidating, because these look kind of old and dusty. But I'm glad to find these flat back buttons. Look at that. And some dot paint. Wonder if this is, I can't remember what it's like, but I'm going to try that out and let you know. And I thought these were glue sticks, but this is dry and set quick dry paint sticks. And I don't see it in this bag, but maybe it's in this bag. Yeah, I picked up the rainbow, the red, orange, yellow, blue, green, and purple. So there we are. That I can't wait to try that. Picked up the diamond dotting kit coasters, all in a summer flavor. So I gotta get started on this. This is gonna be fun. And I do always try to pick up some alphas, because I do like alphas. And these are in the black, the gold, and the silver. And of course, anything that has collage, I'm interested kind of in. I wanted to see what was up with this collage art kit. It says it has 150 stickers, comes with frames, and all that. So I'll let you know on this as well. Well, friends, thank you so very much for stopping by. I really think I hit the jackpot. Let me see if I left anything on this Ollie's haul. I was so happy with this Ollie's haul. I don't think I have anything else in that other bag. Alright, thank you so very much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video. If you made it this far, you know how we do. Put a little shopping cart down below. You can wave at me, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.